What are the best ways to earn part-time income in India? Everybody likes to have an additional source of income or passive income, but how you create a source for such income is totally based on your abilities and skills. Few common methods to add to your passive income are: 1. Investing. If you invest your savings in an efficient manner, that can help you get good returns in the long run. The money invested today in the right manner can yield you good returns in the years to come. So, invest wisely to get decent returns in the form of interest, dividend or capital gains etc. 2. Freelancing. This is also a good source to earn some extra money. Besides your routine job, if you can spare some time for freelancing, that will help you get some additional income. There are various sites that provide you a variety of tasks, assignments. You can apply for the one based on your qualifications and experience. Look for genuine sites that don't charge anything for providing work. Initially, you might find difficult to grab good projects, but slowly and gradually as you keep on adding to your skills and experience, things will become easy. 3. Blogging. You have to be patient enough to pursue this option, but once you get into it, you get various others door open for generating good passive income like affiliate marketing, AdSense income, ebook sales, online courses etc. These are just few alternatives to add to your passive income. You are the best judge to decide what you need to do. Consider the spare time you have and the skills you possess and then move ahead.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.